got last year driver's license issuing, which we actually like now that it's settled down and we've learned our business a little bit better. But property tax collections are actually what we call state business. In fact, all of this is state business. It's not county business. They're what's called county officers. And all of the constitutional officers are county officers, and our power actually comes from the Florida Constitution. The county commission is what we consider a category of a county office also. Their power comes from another section in the Constitution. My office actually collects and disperses about $3.1 billion a year. Of that money, we are what's called a fee-based office, and we collect for every transaction that we process, we collect a fee for. And the fees in 2010 were $62 million. Of those fees, we actually put that in like a separate account for your operating expenses, and it's invested in short-term and some long-term. Our overhead expenses are about $22 million a year that we spend, and it's about 56% of that is actually on employee costs. And our health care is about $3.4 million a year, which is one of the reasons we tried the very innovative employee health care program. Our excess fees that we actually remitted back to the county and all of the people that we process transactions on behalf of are $40.6 million. So that means that is not just a measure of our efficiency, but some of those fees are dependent on the amount of property tax collections we do. Because if you pay $200,000 in property taxes, the fee that we collect is higher than if you pay $700. It's a three-tier fee that we actually operate under. We now have 290 staff people in our office, which is huge. We also have 8 branch offices throughout the county and our administrative offices, which are on the 3rd floor of the government